How do I insert the batteries of the EasyToys Rabbit Vibrator? This is an easy and simple process. Today, I'm going to show you how. So, to insert the batteries of the EasyToys Rabbit Vibrator is simple and easy to do. So, firstly, you're going to take your Rabbit Vibrator. The battery compartment is at the very bottom just here. Gently unscrew the cap as demonstrated. Once you've done this, it reveals the battery compartment. Remove it like so. This is all you need for now. You require 3 AAA batteries and batteries are not included. Follow the instructions using the plus and minus signs until you have fully inserted all 3 batteries. Once they're completely in, they're ready to go into the battery compartment. Make sure the end with the 2 metal parts just here go in first. Gently push in like so. Grab your cap and gently twist it back on. Then it's ready to go. Simply push the on/off button and it should work for you. Did you find this video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? Do you have a question for us? We'd like to see it. Why not write your question below and we'll get back to you.